Hello, thank you all of you for joining us here today. I'm Ann Barenbrook. I lead our technology partner program here at Rockwell Automation, and you can see we're immersed in the hustle and bustle of Automation Fair here in Chicago. We've been joined by thousands of customers, partners, Rockwell, and our extended ecosystem to talk about what's going on in the world today of industrial automation. One of our partners is here today, Sean. Thank you for joining. Sean is joining us from Cisco. He leads up their global industry director area of portfolio. Sean, do you mind introducing yourself and telling us why you and Cisco are excited to be here today?
Yes, thank you, Ann, first of all, for having me here.
Yeah.
So I'm Sean Carragata. I'm a global industry director in Cisco's Industry Solutions Group. And on my team, we have subject matter experts who work with Rockwell and other partners to look after our customers in the manufacturing, transportation, utilities, energy, and mining industries. Of course, those industries are very relevant
Absolutely.
for Rockwell.
Yes.
And so we're really excited to be here at the Automation Fair. And part of the reason why we're excited is to celebrate the 15 years of partnership between Cisco and Rockwell.
Yes.
And the amazing things that we've done between the teams. If I can give you 3 examples.
I'd love to hear it.
So the first is converged plant-wide Ethernet, which is really the extension of the connected enterprise. It brings together the best of Rockwell's operations technology and industrial automation capabilities and Cisco's information technology capabilities to extend the connected enterprise to be the foundation or the blueprint for the connected factory. And secondly, at the core of that architecture is the Stratix line of industrial Ethernet switches, which again brings together the best of Rockwell and Cisco Catalyst Ethernet switches and architecture. Really IT meets OT to secure and network industrial operation systems. And then the third thing that we want to celebrate, which I think is incredible, is the work that Rockwell and Cisco are doing to build and enable the future industrial workforce.
Yes.
And we're doing that in partnership with the University of Wisconsin at Milwaukee, with the Connected Systems Institute, which has become a center of excellence for industrial workforce development. So we're just so excited to be here.
Well, I'm glad to hear that. We're also excited to have you here, and I'm happy to hear you use the word celebration, because I think that's so relevant. You know, the importance of our partnership, the importance of listening to the customer and understanding what's going on, and then how our partnership, because we're working together, bringing together our expertise, is helping not just at the product level, right? You highlighted a few buckets. Obviously our collaboration around innovation, but then the human element, right? The workforce. How is someone understanding the technology and bringing it to life and then using that to problem solve? So yes. I'm happy and also in a celebratory mood with you. You mentioned some of these solutions. Can you talk us through what folks might see in the Cisco booth?
Yeah, absolutely. So they will see solutions like the ones I've talked about. When I said that the converged plant-wide Ethernet is the foundation of the connected factory, I say it's the foundation because customers need more than connectivity and networking.
Yes.
They need end-to-end IT and OT industrial security. They need robust, multi-access, ultra-reliable wireless, a good example being here in the McCormick Place. And so we're going to be showcasing wireless and mobility, we're going to be showcasing security. They need simplification of their IT and OT systems, automation of those systems. That's very important for the workforce, to make it easier for the workforce to manage all of the industrial operations. And increasingly, they need extensibility and security and performance management around the applications that they're using, whether on the plant floor or in the extended enterprise, and they need those workloads, application workloads, to be extensible between the on-prem devices, edge devices on the plant floor, the on-prem data center, and into the cloud. So we're talking about hybrid cloud as well. And then one other really important area that our customers are going to be seeing is and you talked about it as well, workforce enablement.
Yes.
Workforce enablement includes workforce collaboration, and that collaboration needs to be ruggedized for the plant floor or field operations. So we're going to be talking about those solutions and others, and very importantly, we're also going to be talking about the partners and the partner ecosystem between Rockwell and Cisco that really deliver those solutions to our customers, whether it's the Rockwell distributors, the Cisco partners, or our cloud provider partners like Microsoft.
Yeah, I mean, you don't have to talk twice about partners. That's a core belief for Rockwell is our partner ecosystem, and I know that's also something Cisco has a large investment in. You mentioned a few things I think are really important. One is this end-to-end. I think security can feel intimidating. I don't think it's a question of it anymore of if we need security, it's how. And I think having partners like Rockwell and Cisco working together and bringing up blueprints and kind of coaching through, here's how we can start based on where you're at, customer.
Yes.
If you have a very mature strategy, if you're just getting started, I think that's what's really important is that we want to help meet customers where they're at, regardless of where they're at in that journey.
Absolutely, you said it twice because it's so important. So we do need to meet customers where they are. Digital transformation is not an end state, it's a journey.
Yes.
And so our customers like Cisco, like Rockwell, are somewhere along that journey.
Absolutely.
And we need to meet them where they are. We need to understand their operating environment, and then we need to help them use digital transformation to achieve business agility,
Yes.
to achieve production optimization, to manage their risk better, and that's one of the really important things. If we think about the kind of the trends in the industry, understanding how digital transformation allows you to optimize your supply chain operations,
Yes.
allows you to optimize your production environment and your industrial automation, allows you to optimize and enable your workforce. And then you talked about security. Security is no longer an afterthought. There is growing recognition of the importance of having a
It's at the
robust
forefront.
industrial cybersecurity
Yeah.
plan, and having end-to-end visibility to all of those devices, machines, production systems, and endpoints that are connected to the network, and having a robust threat defense system and IT/OT security operations center. So security is a big requirement that we're hearing from our customers. And again, we will meet them where they are in the journey
Yes.
to help them build out their cybersecurity plan. Another big trend we're seeing is around sustainability. So
Yep.
we can use digital transformation to improve production optimization and operational efficiencies. You can also use digital technologies to give you more insight and operational capabilities around your environmental footprint. And so, of course, many of our customers, like Cisco, like Rockwell, have very aggressive net zero and other
Yes.
environmental targets. We're helping them implement the plans to deliver on those targets. And a really good example of that is Rockwell. So Cisco launched a global sustainability challenge with our partners earlier this year. Rockwell was one of the winners, and they created a solution that detects and provides notification for water and wastewater leakage in industrial or utility water systems. And that's vitally important because
Absolutely.
the average US water utility loses 5 billion gallons of water a year to leaks.
That's bananas.
That consumes 15 million kilowatt hours of electricity in pumping the water that is then lost. And of course, that electricity translates into something like 12,000 metric tons of carbon emissions. So Rockwell is helping us and our customers save water, save energy, and reduce carbon emissions, which is really powerful. And then the other big trend we're seeing is around as I said before, applications and how we help customers on their
Yes.
journey to using more software in their business, and then moving and having application performance management so they have visibility to their applications and to the data. And of course, we come back again to securing that data, whether it's on-prem or going to the cloud.
Excellent. Well, Sean, thank you for joining us. To oversimplify what I think is a robust and healthy partnership, we're really staying in tune with what's happening to the customer. We're trying to acknowledge these trends. We're seeing cybersecurity, an ongoing threat. How do we simplify the experience? How do we mitigate risk? How do we look at new trends like sustainability and say, here's how we're going to continue to build on our foundation together so that customers can come in and learn. So thank you so much for joining me, and thank all of you for coming, joining our live stream. For those of you here on the show floor, please join us in the Cisco booth to learn more. For those of you remote, please click on the link to learn more about our Rockwell and Cisco partnership. Thank you all so much.
Thank you.
Thanks. That went really well.
Thank you.